Hi everyone! Today we'll test this really cool craft. Oh, don't cry, big guy. I'll help you right away. We'll start with lipstick. Just kidding. We're going to become dentists for the next few minutes. Don't worry, I'll cure all your teeth so they stop hurting. Let's see. Did you know that everyone's teeth prints are unique? It's very interesting, right? Oh, there's so many germs. They have no place in the mouth. Come on, get out of here. Because of you, the teeth hurt. That's much better. The first stage is complete. What do we have here? Oh, I got it. Food that is good and bad for teeth. With an apple, there are definitely no questions. It's definitely good. And here's an interesting case. Milk itself is good, but together with chocolate, it creates an unhealthy sweet milkshake. It's so delicious. But we'll put it here. And chocolate, alas, goes here too. Look, if you add nutritious bananas to some milk and then freeze it, you're gonna get really bad for teeth ice cream. You can only eat it occasionally, which is a pity. I would like it the other way around. Although bananas themselves can be eaten more often, and they're delicious too. You can also make ice cream from milk with berries. For example, with blueberries. That sounds yummy. Have you tried it? By the way, berries are rich in vitamins. Okay, let's finally put milk where it belongs. Oh, I remember. Milk is also used for making cakes. But the cakes are not so good. As well as cupcakes and other sweets. Here's a donut and sweet soda, for example. Guys, would you like to have such a snack right now? Oh, I would. But we shouldn't eat them too often so that our teeth and stomach didn't ache. That's why we'll move the candy right here. Although Sam would have argued about that. It's 1, 2, 3, 4 nutritious products and not so good 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Whoa, so they're more bad than the good one. Well, let's not hurry. We'll even the odds right now. Peas have a lot of protein, almost like me. It goes here. Carrot's good too. It makes teeth strong. And let's add some fish. Oh right, oranges. They make delicious juice. And greenery contains a whole bunch of useful vitamins and minerals. Look, we have fruits, vegetables, milk, and fish here. What a great variety. While here, with harmful for teeth drinks and sweets, there are far fewer options. So there are more good foods. Hooray! But now I'm hungry. Alright, we can continue. There are pieces of food stuck between the teeth. You may have heard that little birds help crocodiles to get rid of them. We're gonna do it with the help of special tools. Let's define what these pieces were in the beginning. The first one was an apple. Okay, now let's get this out. It's hard because it's sticky. So, what is this? I know! Our character's a bit of a sweet tooth. This is the same candy that can cause cavities. By the way, it's useful to use dental floss after eating to get rid of the pieces of food. Now we can move on to the lower jaw. This time, the first one on our list of dental treasures is… Oh right! Pieces of healthy food can also get stuck in the teeth, causing pain. That is why it is important to brush your teeth thoroughly twice a day. Alright, I wonder what is this? It's chocolate! Looks like this guy has hidden a piece of it in his teeth. Let's floss again. We should lead it from the gum up to the top, like this. We dealt with the rest of the food, and now let's deal with the largest cavity. This happens when you don't brush your teeth properly. Now you know how many times you need to do this. People used to use coal and ashes for cleaning their teeth, but the toothpaste is nicer. And we need to go deeper to clean everything thoroughly. Only after that it'll be possible to put a filling that will close the cavity. Now nothing will hurt this tooth for sure. Let me just grab everything here and well, that's it. A filling is like a patch and soon the tooth will be as good as new. Hop, a bit more, and it's done. Great. We only have one step left. We have got to learn how to brush the teeth. We'll use a toothbrush. You definitely have one. So that the teeth didn't ache and cavities do not appear, it's necessary to brush thoroughly. Microbes also accumulate on the toothbrush, so you must change it every 3 months. We brush with sweeping movements from the bottom and up. Repeat on the other jaw too, from the gum to the crown or the top of the tooth. Well, now you all know how to brush your teeth. Give us a thumbs up. Okay, this is it. The teeth are clean and healthy. We can put the brush in place. Look, our boy is no longer crying. Take good care of your teeth and you won't have to go to the dentist often.
Psst, Sue, you forgot to tell our viewers how to make this craft.
Sammy, you scared me. I didn't forget. I just left this part for later. Now we can get into the details. Here I am choosing foam paper for our book. Join in.
While I'm making sure no one bothers Sue. I am her knight.
Oh my knight, can you help me make openings in these sheets?
Easily. Give it to me now. I'll do everything quickly and accurately like this and like this. All right, you can take it.
Sammy, you're a master. These are the perfect openings for the fastening rings. It remains only to secure everything neatly.
By the way, I even prepared a bunch more details for our book. Check it out.
Wow, Sammy, you're so great. When did you only manage to do everything? Then I will take over the assembly of this part of the craft. I can do some stuff too, you know. And the final touch, the name, like this. Oh, but how do I attach this detail to the book?
I have an idea. These are nails, door hinges, and stuff. Search in here.
Sammy, I doubt that these would fit. I have another suggestion. Let's take foam paper loops. They fit perfectly into the overall look. So here comes this kid. Sammy, what are you doing?
I'm picking the shirt collar for our boy. It's very important.
Oh, so you'll take care of it. Excellent. Then I can just finish here.
Of course, I'll deal with clothes. Who else but some money feed?
Well, I trust your taste completely. And I'm gluing the face of our daredevil who came to the dentist.
All done. He should try this on. This is the latest trend.
Wow, Sammy, such a beautiful outfit and it suits him so well. As the doctor says, say ah. Let's make the teeth. Otherwise, what will the dentist treat? And here comes the last details. Germs.
Germs, get out of here, you nasty little things.
Oh, come on. Let's better continue with our book. Look at all these blank pages. Here we'll have 2 teeth and some food.
Then I'll run to cook them, and you keep working on those teeth.
Of course, someone has to. And what you gonna cook?
I'm in the process of creating a culinary masterpiece. Let's mix it well.
Are you done yet?
Susan, I can't be distracted.
Okay, it's just I'm almost done and I can't go on without you.
No problem, I'm all set.
Wow, you've made so many things. We'll have a huge selection to play with.
Sue, look at the time, it's lunch break. Friends, you'll wait for us, right?
It's time to continue creating our book. Let's turn the page.
You know what? Now it's my turn to decide what will be here.
Sure, Sam. And if you like our book, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe. Wow, Sammy, you did an amazing job. But these images is not yet complete. Let's add just a few things.
Susie, stop doing nonsense. I have everything ready to get going.
If you say so. I think we still need one big tooth with a cavity which we will treat. And I'll get everything ready for our dental drill to work. I'll put this here, and here's our big sad patient. Now let's add the caries indicators. It'll be easier to remove this one than the real one. And we're done! It remains only to fill the last page of the book.
Sue, look what I've got! A super duper toothbrush!
And we'll definitely need it. You can test it for now.
Help me, somebody! Come back! I want to brush your teeth with my super brush!
Sammy, plush toys don't have to brush their teeth. Oh!
Come back, you! Your teeth gotta stay healthy!
Sammy, a few people love dentists.
Then I'll clean our boy's mouth. He can't run away.
Don't rush. He doesn't have any teeth yet.
Now let's quickly make him some so that I can start doing my difficult work.
Now you were a hard worker while I was doing all the preparations.
And this is still mine.
Yeah. In the meantime, I'll get these teeth ready for brushing. Right now, I'm playing the role of evil microbes.
removed immediately!
Not yet. Let's fix the brush on the page. Uh-huh. Well, we did it. Our dental book is ready.
Our new dental clinic! We treat you here with no pain!
Oh, that sounds interesting to me. Gotta check it out.
So you've got caries, you need braces, and you're dealing with a couple of cavities.
Hey, Sammy, what are you doing here?
Can't you see? Booking toys for an appointment at my new clinic.
Oh, and I heard that in a nearby clinic they give presents to each patient.
Huh? Wait! I'm coming with you! I also want a present!
Ah, finally, I can play with this book. Give us a thumbs up if you'd like that too. Take care!